guys, it's Mad Welds here, and I just wanted to share these little kits I got, scrap kits I got from WelderMade, and I thought they were a hell of a good deal for what it came with. I got two kits, came with a whole stack of some laser cut. I think these were 316 coupons and some quarter-inch coupons, a couple just random pieces, but they give you enough to, build stuff with or just test welds or whatever you want. I'm gonna probably use a couple for test pieces, but definitely make something with some of these pieces. I got two kits, so I think it's 20 pounds each kit roughly. And here's the other kit, more coupons, some real nice big quarter-inch coupons. And I like this. It's nice they sent a set of some bevel pieces already. So if you wanted to, what I was gonna do is split this down and make a little test plate. But yeah, I'll put a link in this the description, and maybe you guys check it out. I think I got both of these, $50 including the shipping, or after the shipping, it came to like 50 some dollars. So I thought it was a good deal. Now you got some nice clean pieces of material to work with. All right, until next time, take care. Peace. Like and subscribe.